Did you ever want to learn a specific thing, but searching, finding, and learning it on YouTube just took a ton of time that you just don't have? Pretty sure we've all experienced this before. We click on a video, we're expecting to get exactly what was promised on the title and in the thumbnail, but then we sit through a 20-minute video to get like 1 or 2 good tips. The reality is that 90% of most videos are just filler. They're designed to boost watch time. They are entertainment. However, in this video, we're going to show you how to build a 24/7 AI agent that scouts your favorite channels, reads every transcript, and DMs you with all the information digested so you get all the information, all the knowledge with 95% less screen time. We've built a specific research framework for normal people who want to reclaim their lives from the algorithm. And if you're thinking that you need to be maybe a developer in order to do that, or maybe you think it's going to be extremely difficult, then you're very, very wrong. It's going to be done in 5 very simple steps. We previously talked about Open Claw being a digital worker. You can go and check out that video after this one. But as a quick tutorial, we will use Claw. There are other ways, but this is the fastest to set up. You just head over to kimi.com/bot, you click create, you wait for the process to end, and you are done. To make this bot work, your agent needs a specific tool to read YouTube transcripts. And we're using a service called Apify. Apify. First, head over to apify.com, then go ahead and log in. And then once you're in, we are looking for this one, YouTube Transcript Scraper. So to start off with, as it won't be there, just go to Apify store and just literally type in YouTube Transcript Scraper. And it's this one right here. After this, you're going to click start because all we're going to be needing is just the API token. And just so you know, you don't need a credit card or debit card to sign up with this. They give you $5 every month, and that's enough for 500 videos. If you want more than that, then you can go ahead and you can buy credits. After you've got it, go to the API section and then click on API endpoints. Now, what we're going to be using is the run actor. It's very important that you never share this with anybody. You only share it with the Open Claw bot. I'm going to show you mine right now because we're going to not use it afterwards. So if I click here, we can see the full token, but what we're going to be needing is to actually copy the token. The API is a key and it allows you to unlock a door that lets your AI agent reach out to YouTube, grab a video, strip it down to the actual words spoken by reading the transcript. And without this, your agent is just guessing based on the title, and your agent will completely gaslight you into actually doing this. It will, without this, it will read the title and it will say, this is what it's about, this is what it's covered, and it just makes it up. However, with this, your agent can effectively read a 30-minute video in just a couple of seconds. So once we've got that API, go and put it straight into your agent. Now, I had already fed it into this agent before, but it will automatically store it into tools.md. And if it doesn't, just say, hey, store the API in my tools file, and it will know it's a tools.md, a markdown file. By the way, a markdown file is essentially just a text file that the AI agent can read for instructions or personality or skills or anything like that. So now we've given the tools we need to the AI, but we also have to give the actual instruction manual. How do you use those tools? And in order to do that, we are going to have to give Open Claw a very specific prompt. We've spent a couple of days going back and forward, and this is what we've landed with. And this is essentially going to tell it to be your personal researcher for whatever niches or niches that you care about. This prompt tells your agent to check the recent feeds of the channels that you trust and provide. And every YouTube channel has a hidden feed that updates the second a new video is posted. We will tell the agent to check these feeds once a week or once a day, whatever it is that you want it to be set to. And then it's going to run that transcript scraper that we just set up. We've also specialized this. So we're not just asking for, hey, give us a summary. We're actually asking for alpha. We're asking for that decent, good, actionable information. This is one specific, opinionated, actionable insight. If a finance video mentions a specific tax saving tip buried in the 15th minute, the agent flags it as alpha. And you get the tip as an insight without the 15-minute wait. And this is how you stay smarter than everyone else while spending less time on the couch. Now, this MD file you can download yourself, but I'm just gonna drag it in to my bot, YouTube researchskill.md, and I will send it. If I were to open this, you can see it's a text file, and we're not gonna go through it all, but you can see what it looks like. Now, because I'm replacing a previous version, which we refined, it's asking, should we replace it? Now, a quick note, yesterday we had a version that was not working as well as this one, and we tested and tested and tested. So that's why you can see this part, which just for transparency, I'm showing you, but we're completely just deleting it. Getting rid of this one. Don't worry about this. Now pay attention to this. So question 1, what niche topic do you want to track? AI, automation, crypto, gaming, fitness, tech, gardening, whatever it is, baking, you can put it here. For me, it's going to be tech and AI. And now it's asking how many YouTube channels do you want to monitor? I just want to monitor 5 at this stage, and I know what channels I want to do. So we'll tell it 5. And then we've got the prompt. So it goes bit by bit through it, so nothing gets skipped. So we'll copy the first one and paste it in. Linus Tech Tips. By the way, you should do this for this channel as well. And of course, go and hit subscribe right here, like so. Next channel, I'll get this one prepped, ready to send in a second. Channel 3, of course, Marcus Brownlee, the GOAT when it comes to tech. And then I also want to stay on top of Anthropic news. So Anthropic will be what I'll be using as well. Now, it takes a couple of minutes to set up, but it's necessary. It has to do quite a few things in the background in order to ensure it's getting the feed from the correct channel. So we've done this step, and now the next thing we're going to do, once it's done all of its loading, is we're going to be setting up what's called a cron job. This is a fancy word that basically means a schedule. This is also following the skill completely to the T, which means it's asking for my Apify API token. Now, I've already given it to it, so I could just say, hey, go and look for it. But to make it easier, I'm just going to send it again. Copy it here, paste it, and a reminder, never share yours with anybody. And now we come to that schedule. So for starters, I would like mine to be daily. Daily at like 8 a.m. UTC. So it's one of the first things that I can consume the moment that I start working. Of course, most creators won't release anything every day, but you should get a couple of hits probably each week. Now, this is the part, as you can see, that gets a little bit iffy. The fetches didn't return channel IDs. Let me search for them. This is annoying, and we've tried to do it in a seamless way, but this is the best way that we've been able to actually work it out. The channel ID is actually different from what you see. So when you see Anthropic-AI, that's not the ID. The ID is like a series of numbers and letters. So what it has to do is it has to search for it, find it, and then go ahead and verify that it's accurate. And this can take a minute or so. So it's gone through everything, and it's pretty sure that it's got everything right. So what we want to do, of course, is send a test right now. Okay, so we've just been pinged. It took 4 minutes to do this. So for the sake of transparency, I ran everything, and everything worked fine except for 2 videos on this occasion. So we've updated the MD file, which is now updated below, and we ran it again. So let's go through the actual results. It went ahead and it checked everything that happened from the last 7 days. And it could see that there are a few Linus Tech Tip videos. Dave 2D, Alex had a couple of videos, and Marcus Brownlee had some videos as well. There was nothing from Anthropic. So in total, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos to have a look through. Here's the first one from Linus. This is number 1. And we've got the alpha down here. Always verify the exact GPU. Cool. Then we've got video number 2 from Linus with the alpha being a $50 ultrasonic leak detector is sufficient. You don't have to use a $25,000 particular device. Number 3, alpha. Number 4, here's the alpha. Dave also is talking about GPUs. Alex, TLDR, and the alpha. Another one from Alex, and another one here. And there was still a very small issue with Marcus Brownlee. This one it included, but it then said that it's outside the 7-day window. And so Marcus Brownlee, it has all the data right here. So it did take a second go to get it right, and we have updated the MD file, which is linked below. But ultimately, this is what we want. We want to be at the front of AI technology. We want stuff to be delivered to where we use it most, on our phones, in Telegram. And we explained this in detail in our last video. This now means that as soon as your agent finishes its scout, your phone will buzz with a Telegram notification as if somebody has sent you a DM. And that is the full framework for never wasting time on YouTube again. There'll be some times when you want to watch videos and just be entertained. But other times you want to level up. And this is perfect because we're not victims of the algorithm now. Instead, we've got the AI agent that filters the world for us. And the reality of the AI age is that the people who win are the ones who can filter information the fastest and act on it. And then with Open Claw, you're handling the consumption phase of your life. There's no information overload. You're freeing up your mind to actually apply what you've learned. So if you're looking for more ways to use AI to improve your average daily life, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we're just getting started.